Hi everybody, so this is the design that I created on my nails this week. So I went with gel nails, builder gel. So I'm just pushing back my cuticle and I'm just buffing my natural nail to prep it for application. No need for primer with these gel, this builder gel that I'm using. So just buff that nail and get it ready. Just applying the tip there. I went for coffin style nails and just blending that tip to my nail. And I'm also buffing the nail as well so that the gel adheres nicely to it. So just apply my base coat and I cure that for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And then I make sure that I cap the edges as well, just to make sure that the gel stays put in place and doesn't lift. So then I just apply my gel strengthener to the nail as well, just to give it a little bit more, just a little bit of extra strength basically. So I apply that, capping each edge as well, and I cure that in my LED lamp, for 30 seconds. So this is the brush up builder gel that I'm using. It's in the shade Peachy. I don't think they sell this on the Miss You Beauty website anymore, but they do have other colours. I wanted to go with like a nudie feel, although this is a little bit more pink than what I was expecting, but I was happy with it. So I popped that down on my nail and again capping those edges to make sure that there's no lifting, and with a fine detail brush and a little bit of the brush up builder gel I just go around the edges and as close to the cuticle as I possibly can without obviously touching the cuticle, just to make sure that it looks lovely and flush with my natural nail. And once I've done that I cure it for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. And I pop down another layer as well just to build up that nail. The good thing is I didn't need to cap it with clear builder gel, so perfect for me. And then with my forefinger and my middle finger I go in with my brush up builder gel in the shade Bare or Clear, curing each layer of this in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. I go in with 2 layers on each nail just to build up the nail and to make sure that I've got a beautiful apex there. So then with my e-file I just file around the cuticle area so that there's no lifting on that nail. The beautiful thing about brush up builder gel is it is self-leveling, so there is hardly any filing needed, which I think is just a massive time saver and less pressure on my hands, which I like. So then with the nail art, I've got my marble inks. The good thing is that this nail is already matte, so I don't need to apply any matte top coat to it. Just I've got a blue and a white and then my clear to blend those colours together. And then what I do is I've got a Pro Gel in the shade Wedding Dress, and I just draw a little bit of nail art, just some lines, and then with a dotting tool I just apply some little dots to that. And then I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Then with my forefinger, I've got Winter Wonderland 03 and my gel brush. I went for a little bit of an abstract design that I've been seeing so many of them around at the moment. So just apply that, cure for 30 seconds, apply some matte top coat, cure for 60 seconds, and then I apply my foil gel here and cure that for 60 seconds and apply my foil to that nail. And that's my abstract design. So with the middle finger, I use the same gel polish, Winter Wonderland 03, and I apply 2 coats of this to my nail, and I cure each coat in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. Then I go in with my Miss You Beauty's non-wipe UV gel top coat, and I cure that in my LED lamp for about 40 to 50 seconds. And then I go in with Miss You Beauty's Chrome Galaxy Powder. This is probably my all-time favourite Galaxy powder. I just absolutely love it. It's so shiny and sparkly. It's amazing. Then on my ring finger, I take my gel strengthener, just apply that in a diagonal way down the nail. And before I've cured that, I then sprinkle some of this glitter from May. Now, I am aware that this colour glitter does not match the rest of my nails. That was a total mess up, but there you go. I still love the glitter. I did have a blue one. I just used the greeny one, the turquoise one. Don't know why. Anyway, cured it after that for about 45 seconds, and then with Winter Wonderland 03 I just go down my little finger in just one line with my detail brush, just something very simple, and cured that for 30 seconds. And then I went in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and applied that to all of my nails, and then I cured that for 60 seconds. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I will leave links to everything that's on the website in the description box below, and don't forget I do have a discount code Beautified10 for you all to take advantage of to get 10% discount on the website. So here's my design, and thank you so much again, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care.